Hello there, warmly welcome to our channel Ambrosia. Today I would like to feature on you some colorful banana pancake. Before we get started, let me show you what I have. 3 bananas, chocolate powder, sugar, salt, some butter, fresh milk and honey, some eggs. Here I got all-purpose flour and vanilla essence, and I got red and blue colorings to make it more beautiful. And to garnish, I'm using strawberries. Well, let's peel off the bananas from the stem end. When you're selecting bananas, just use some well-ripped bananas. That would be tastier and that is easier to cook. And then slice it all up before crushing. It doesn't matter how you cut the bananas. If you don't like to bite even little pieces of bananas, just blend it. But make sure you are not getting light, creamy mixture. Put all the cutted bananas into a bowl and crush using a masher or fork or something like that. Once you add all your eggs, give it a good mix. Here I'm adding some all-purpose flour into the mixture. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to get a thicker mixture. Right now I'm going to add sugar. Sugar level is up to you guys. Then add pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And then add 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of milk. Once you added milk, combine all together. Give it a good mix. Now I'm putting the mixture into 3 bowls to get 3 different colors. To the first one, I'm adding chocolate powder. You can even use melted chocolate instant. And then I'm adding coloring. This is red colorings. way. Well, separately combine the mixtures. Once you are done, mixture is ready to cook. Then heat the pan. Once it's heated, add some butter into the pan. Once butter is melted up, pour the scoop of mixture into the pan and always try to get a round shape using the spoon. Then cover it. Once the wetness of the surface is gone, turn it to the other side to cook. Make sure not to overcook your banana pancakes. Once it indicates golden look slightly, get it from the pan and then put another scoop of mixture into the pan and repeat the same until your mixture is done. Now our beautiful pancakes are ready to garnishing. Pour some honey before serving, and either you can add chocolate syrup or something like that as well. It's up to your taste and choice. Enjoy our beautiful breakfast. To garnish, I would like to add some strawberries which we can eat together. Thank you for watching. If you like us, tell your friend. If not, just kidding. Forget it.